Hey guys, today we are going to do a fun science experiment. Easter is coming up, so this is a fun one you can do for Easter. If you have some of these awesome Peeps that you tend to get for Easter, you can do this science experiment. And then I also have Sprite, water, vinegar, and 3 cups. You don't have to use necessarily these items. You could use a Coca-Cola, you could use apple cider vinegar, you could use any kind of liquids you want to experiment with and see what happens. But these are the 3 that I'm trying. So we're going to pour a little bit of the vinegar in the cup. We're going to pour water in another cup. And then we're going to pour our Sprite into another cup. Then we're going to take our Peeps and we're going to put 1 in each cup. We have 1 going in the Sprite. See, it kind of fizz when we put it in there. We have 1 going in our, yep, that's our water. And then we're going to put 1 in our, yep, vinegar. All right, so now you can talk with your child about what you think is going to happen to each Peep. What do you think will happen after we let them sit for a while, and what will they look like? What will they feel like? Will they smell different? Use your senses and think about what might happen. So now we're going to let our Peeps sit overnight, and then we're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to poke around at them and look at them and see what they look like, okay? So we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys. It is day 2 of our Peeps science experiment, and we have all 3 of our Peeps here. I want you to come check them out. We have our water one. Here's our Peep. Check it out. The water turned a little bit pink, and it looks like it kind of expanded a little bit. We have our Sprite one. The water did not turn as much pink, and it looks a little sticky. Our vinegar one, what do you think happened to that one, guys? It took all the color off. It looks white now. So it's all done a little something different. Each one, we are going to take them out and squish them and mess with them and see what they look like that way. So here's our water one. Take it out, put it on, and our Sprite. This one's, oh, look at that.
Oh, it's jiggly.
Extra fluffy, and it broke. And then we have our vinegar one. Look at our poor bunnies. So I'm going to try to squish the water one. It's actually not too bad. It's, you know, a little bit squishier, but it's pretty intact. A little gooey. Our Sprite one, as you can see, the Sprite really made it disintegrate, and our Peep is kind of gone. He's no longer a bunny. And then our vinegar one, he's actually still really fluffy, guys. I can't break him like I did the Sprite, but he has no color anymore. He's a white bunny now instead of a pink bunny. So this is a fun experiment for your kids to do at home if you have some Peeps. Put them in some different liquids and see what happens to them. They can touch them too, and even if you want, you can smell it. They're kind of hard to pick up, but you can poke them and see what you think of each of them. Clearly the soda really did the worst to the Peep. Anyway, that was a lot of fun, guys, and I hope you liked it. If you have this stuff at home, try it out.